Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening FL Studio and locating the automation you need. You should select the automation clip or the knob in the mixer or plugin. This identifies the parameter. Once selected, use the playlist or channel rack to highlight the exact bars or time range you want to copy. Make sure snap settings match grid size to preserve timing. You're setting the anchor point here so copied data lines up correctly when pasted later. Now you perform the copy. With the automation clip or events highlighted, press Ctrl+C or choose Copy from the Edit menu. For plugin parameters, open the event editor and use Pickup Events or copy directly from the automation lane. Once copied, navigate to the destination track or plugin parameter and ensure the playhead and snap are positioned where you want the paste to begin. This preserves absolute timing and value relationships. Finish by pasting with Ctrl+V into the target automation lane or plugin parameter. FL Studio will place the copied events at the current playhead. Once done, play back to verify curves and values matched. If timing or values are off, make sure snap and tempo match. If not, adjust offset or stretch the clip using the time tools. One key troubleshooting tip: if the parameter doesn't respond, confirm you copied the correct linked parameter, plug in wrapper mapping, and relink before pasting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.